Let me say something wild. Spotify might be just one playlist away from putting your song directly after the weekends. Sounds fake, right?
Is this some kind of joke?
I thought so too, until I saw it happen. And the proof? It'll melt your brain. There's a strategy floating under the radar right now. Feels like a glitch in the algorithm, but it's real and it works. One artist inside my music industry shortcut program used it to go from 3,200 monthly listeners to over 140,000 in under 90 days.
Say what? Say what?
The results, 4.2 million streams, 12,000 playlist ads, 27,000 new Instagram followers. No label, no ads, just this one method.
God damn!
When he told me, I literally refreshed the page twice. I thought Spotify was bugging.
It doesn't make sense to me.
I might have done a little victory dance in my kitchen. My dog judged me.
What's that noise?
Now here's the part that blew my mind.
That shit blew my mind.
That little fans also like tab on Spotify, it's not just a fun coincidence. It's actually a system for Spotify's algorithm. And if you know how to steer it, you can put yourself on the map right next to your biggest influences.
How do I do that?
Before I show you the secret, let me show you who's telling it.
You help a lot of people out here, bro.
It's just so amazing that I met you, bro. I love you.
Make a song for you, so you know. I ain't even started. Got a couple things I'm working through. I ain't even started. Got lots of shit on my to-do. I'm just about to flex. That don't include.
Let me paint you a picture. You're making amazing music. You're posting online. Maybe you're even paying for playlist pitching services. But somehow, you still feel invisible.
Life has been hollow.
Like you're bleeding into the mic and nobody notices. Like your song could cure heartbreak and Spotify still thinks it's background noise. That disconnect, it's not your talent, it's your algorithmic association. Spotify doesn't promote what it likes, it promotes what it understands.
I gotta process this.
But it sees repeated, it sees pattern.
There's a pattern here, people.
And this is where the hack comes in. You don't need permission or a plug or a label budget. You need what I call playlist engineering. Think of it like musical Tetris. Your song becomes the perfect block that fits between two major artist tracks. And when fans start playing that combo again and again, Spotify sees the fit. Suddenly, instead of crashing the party, you're on the list.
You're gonna love this.
It's time we had the talk.
If this video is helping you even a little bit, please subscribe, like, and comment about something I talked about in the video. I appreciate you. Let's get back into it.
I'm flattered, by the way. Thank you very much.
The bouncer looks down, sees you next to Drake and says, looks like they belong. This isn't playlist manipulation. This is algorithm introduction.
This should be interesting.
And once you pull it off, Spotify starts treating your music like it lives in the same sonic neighborhood as the biggest names in your genre.
And I thought to myself, I want that.
So here's how to hijack the fans also like system step by step. Pick your parallel artist, someone who actually sounds like you, not just someone you admire, but someone whose listeners would vibe with your sound. Create a public playlist. Format it like this: 2 songs from them, 1 from you. Repeat. This creates a breadcrumb trail for the algorithm. Name it like a clickbait crossover episode. Example: if you like Drake, try, then insert your name. Share it with your fans. Post it on socials, DM it, email it, drop it in Reddit threads, Discord servers, wherever your tribe hangs out. And here's the kicker. Ask fans to stream it and add your song next to that artist's song in their personal playlists. Why? Because Spotify watches user behavior like a hawk. When it sees people jumping from the weekend to you and back again over and over, it draws a line, then another and another, until
There's a pattern here, people.
the algorithm goes, okay, maybe these two belong in the same conversation. One of my favorite case studies was this blues rock artist. No team, no label, no fancy setup, just hustled. He picked his sound alike, built the playlist, and activated his fans. Slowly but surely, his track started auto-playing after the big name. Then it showed up on their song radio. Then fans also started showing his name next to verified legends. His streams didn't just rise, they snowballed, and he didn't spend $1. This isn't theory, this is behavioral hijacking. You're not tricking Spotify, you're giving it smarter data. You're whispering, hey, me and Kendrick, we hang out, go ask the fans, And when Spotify sees that pattern, it doesn't question it, it rewards it. And for anyone wondering, wait, is this manipulative? I've got a question for you. When a label times every drop, scripts viral arcs, and engineers influencer pushes, is that natural? Or is that just social engineering in a Gucci suit? This is the same game, but you're playing it guerrilla style, right? Strategic, targeted, efficient. So here's what to do right now. Pick your parallel artist. Build that 3-song pattern playlist. 2 of theirs, 1 of yours. Name it something scroll stopping. Share it like wildfire. And tell fans exactly what to do. Stream the playlist and add your song next to that artist in their own playlist. That's it. Every fan who does that is feeding Spotify a stronger signal. Every stream in that pattern is pushing you out of the void and into visibility, because this isn't about begging for exposure. It's about giving Spotify a friend suggestion. And when it likes your vibe, it introduces you to 140,000 new listeners you never would have reached. And if you're still here, you're not just watching, you're absorbing cheat codes most artists never hear. Grab the 50 Spotify hacks from my description below for free and go to my channel for even more cheat code videos like this one.
The end.